Keys. For thousands of years, they've been a part of our world. But the universe is changing. And today, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era. The keyless era, with electronic locks from Observe.
It happens every morning, and when you're late, and on your way out the door. But what if you never needed a key again? And what if your lock could connect to your phone, so you knew who came and went? What if the company that's reinventing the home worked with the company that invented the lock as we know it? Introducing the Nest Yale Lock.
For decades, companies try to improve the way we secure our doors, from making our locks smarter, more convenient, and safer. Our lock has taken years of research and development, and we combined features in all the popular smart locks and made it more advanced. From the sleek, seamless design of the solid aluminium build to the OLED panel that houses the world's advanced security features. This is the Lockley Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by Pin Genie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. The digits rotate every time a code is entered, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. An advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and only recognizes physical fingers, preventing the use of lifted or replicated prints, allowing those registered access. Access codes and fingerprints are just the beginning. Our Bluetooth-powered smart locks can be unlocked conveniently with our mobile app. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockley's patented offline access code, Lockley is the only smart lock in the world that does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. With all this technology, you can also unlock the smart lock with a physical key. Lockley Secure works universally for most doors and is available in deadbolt and latch editions. Lockley, come home secure, essential to every household.
This is your old lock. Boring, old, dumb. Your kids are always losing their keys, and we sometimes have our hands full. This is Lockley, an award-winning smart lock packed with the latest features in convenience and security. It's simple to install and comes in different versions, whether it's a deadbolt or latch lock, and fits both right swing and left swing doors. When you close the door behind you, Lockley can be programmed to auto-lock itself. When you're out and about, simply send your cleaner a temporary e-key for access. It can be for a single access or access for an entire month. Push notifications tell you when your doors get opened and when they closed, so you know exactly when people come and go. Customize your dates and times, and send guests access codes to be used, even without them downloading an app. So like Shelby, your next-door neighbor can come borrow some milk. When uninvited strangers attempt to guess the code to your door, you're protected by Pin Genie, an advanced security software that shuffles the numbers displayed on the screen every time someone approaches the lock. While your access codes don't change, the location of the numbers do. And because there are 3 numbers in each button, it's nearly impossible to guess the correct code before the lock disables the screen due to incorrect guesses. When you have family or guests visiting, and there's no one home to let them in, simply unlock the door with our app from anywhere in the world. We're all about convenience, so we have an advanced fingerprint sensor that recognizes up to 99 fingerprints and grants access within seconds. From securing families, rentals, and businesses, Lockley comes in deadbolt, latch, and Mortise editions with various finishes. At Lockley, we're all about creating new memories so you can enjoy time with those that matter most. Alexa, lock my front door. Lockley, security redefined.
Hi, Mom! Hey, don't forget your lunch! See you tonight! let's unlock the door. Don't forget, Grandma's coming tonight.
Yay, Grandma! Come on, faster!
Hey Siri, is the door locked?
Your front door is locked.